room right here, we want to get rid of these two bunk beds. I built these out of dimensional lumber. No plan, just kind of looked at something and built both of these identical, solid. The only way these are coming out, I'm gonna have to cut them up. So we're gonna start that, and then this room in here, we're gonna paint all white. As you see, got two colors in here. This is the two of the youngest grandkids' room. Well, not the youngest anymore, but the middle. So, as you see how strong these are, I built them. They had a little area under there, and each of them had a TV on the wall, on their own little wall. That was cool. So, I'm gonna have to break these down. I'm gonna have to use the saw, get what I can out of there, and then use the saw and try to get these out of here so I can paint this room all white. It's the only way that's gonna happen. Just taking these things piece by piece. Should see me when I built these things. Couldn't wait for the job to be over. It wasn't bad. It was fun. Definitely fun. Save these screws. Definitely could use these again. Good one. I mean, I built these things tough. Tough. Alright guys, I got the ladder, and we're gonna speed this up. Guys and girls, got the sauce already. First time it's been used, looks good, so let's try it out, see what it do. Chap, why don't you chap?
You just always been a tight rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you're worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come.
I bent the blade up, so I had to wait till that cooled down. I found out pretty quick that it was hot. I know it was hot, but I touched it anyway. Anyway, it cooled down. I bent the blade back. It's time to start it up again.
And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want, like it. I know that you like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you.
Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the baseboard I was talking about. Put that on the ceiling as well as the floor. And this is the other bed, how it looks on that side. You got your loft, had a TV down there, 2 lounge chairs, little cloth, and they even had a little curtain. It's ripped down now. You can see part of that one. But it closes up on the. It used to close up on the bottom for their little privacy when they were playing the games and watching TV and all that stuff. There's another look at the baseboard. I also put the that same baseboard at the trim around the door, so it just flows. It came out pretty good. I did both doors. So this is it's a 3-bedroom mobile home, 2 bathrooms. Like I said, we're going to sell it and start our life fresh and new. Alright guys, I'm gonna clean up this side, then I'm gonna pull that bed out, and so I can cut that up. Hopefully that blade will last through this cut. Got all the wood out, so I'm gonna get that out, and then we can prep for paint. It's just like I said, white semi-gloss going on. I don't know if it's gonna. I got some Valspar 2000 Ultra High. I'll show you guys that. I like that stuff. It's about $23 a gallon. I like it. It's a semi-gloss Valspar 2000 Ultra High. It's not one coat, but I mean it can if it was white or the walls were light. It'll probably one coat this. I don't know how many it's going to take. This paint is semi-gloss. It's not flat, so it should just roll right on very smoothly. So let's get to work. Today, that's enough. It is 8:02. It is dark. It's time for me to relax and wind. Get ready for another day tomorrow. I guess we'll start fresh in here, paint, and then we'll move on. We got to take these down. These TV brackets that the kids had up, one on each side. Take those down. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. Good morning, family. Welcome to another session. We're going to continue where we left off last night. I'm gonna start on this wall right here, work our way around. Using this Valspar 2000. It's a paint and primer. It's a high white semi-gloss. This stuff works pretty good. I like it. About $23 a gallon from Lowe's. My personal favorite, I like the Valspar 2000 stuff. So we got a lot done yesterday. We took out, you see, we cut up those 2 bunk beds, and you can see that was a lot of wood. I don't remember buying all that wood for it, but that was a lot of wood. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are done in this room today. Give y'all a look, see what it looks like. Painting's not that exciting, so we're not gonna go minute for minute on this. So I showed you the important parts. So paint-wise, the Valspar 2000 used up about a gallon and a half for 2 coats, plus the trim and the baseboard and the floorboard. Alright, we have a few more rooms to paint, but nothing more exciting than this one. So we're going to conclude this video for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Johnson Family Lifestyle. Like us, love us, follow us. I'll see you on the next one.